and they're on the way. Runner number 3, Magic Machine, draws for your lead. Then moving up by the rail is Sweet Temper. Running on the outside, Banay Durango racing in fourth. Wheel of Fame comes next, then followed by Bliss. Running alongside Unica Champ, and trailing the group is Butcherer as they race towards the last 800. 3 runners are fighting it out for the lead, but we have a half-length edge by Magic Machine on the outside. Running in second, Banay racing in third, Sweet Temper. Moving up on the outside, Wheel of Fame, Bliss Durango running by the rail. Unica Champ second last, and still training the group is Butcherer. Magic Machine still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Running by the rail, Banay Wheel of Fame, Durango now in fourth. Unica Champ, Bliss in between horses. Magic Machine, Wheel of Fame moving up on the outside. Running by the rail, Banay Magic Machine outside. Magic Machine by the rail, but Magic Machine wins the race over Wheel of Fame.
Okay, so isang long shot ang nanalo